Welcome back to the reading. Okay, so we just picked a couple of, we don't know what it is, but we're going to open it and we want to record ourselves open it because I promise you I thought I bought, and I'm not thinking, I know that I bought cucumber, cantaloupe, and watermelon, and I don't know what happened. Like, it just didn't. Let me show you what grew. So this is what grew. Like, dude, that's not a cucumber. That's not a cantaloupe. That ain't no watermelon. It was green at first, and I was like, okay, this is gonna be a watermelon. Then it turned orange. Like, I don't understand. How did this happen? And then this thing, what in the world is this? What is this? We're going to open it, guys. We're going to open it and see what it is. I know what this is. This is clearly a pumpkin, but what are you? Let's open it. It's a cucumber that did not elongate or something. We got the melon cutter just in case.
Maybe it's a cucumber mixed with the pumpkin.
Somehow, I don't know. But let's see.
Mama, Grace.
What does it smell like?
A little bit of cucumber. A little bit of dirt.
Oh, that's not enough to tell. It just may be something that's just not ripe enough yet. So get the
China. You smell a little bit of cantaloupe.
Okay, so it's a cantaloupe and it just isn't ripe, probably.
Why'd y'all pick it if you didn't know what it was? Just let it.
Because I mean, Jesus. Oh, Gavin is really struggling. Oh.
Yep, it's a cantaloupe.
It's a cantaloupe.
Yep, it is. Yeah, it is. We knew it.
Oh, good. Yay. It's just not ready. What does it taste like?
Tastes like cantaloupe, but...
Cantaloupe?
Cantaloupe.
Give me a piece.
But not ripe.
Somebody thinks that it's delicious.
It's disgusting. What are you talking about? It's poison.
Well, he thinks it's good.
That's poison.
That's all that matters.
Let me get some.
Oh, wait a minute. Do you think it's a cucumber or a cantaloupe, Grady?
Neither.
What is it?
A cucumber seed.
Cucumber loaf.
And a cantaloupe seed.
How did we do this? Like, this was not
2 points hit each other. And then they grew inside.
I think it's a deformed cucumber. That's what I think. Even though, because cucumbers look like this some kind of way, sort of, on the inside.
No. But doesn't the cantaloupe look like that too?
Yeah.
You tell us what you think.
It's not terrible. It's definitely It's definitely cucumbery.
Tell us what you think it is Tell us what you think it is in the comments below, please. Thank you.
Are you serious?
It has a cucumber-esque.
You don't run nothing.
But I do.